Welcome back to We'll Make It Work. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to replace the side mirror glass on a B7 A4. For the first step in this video, you're going to want to get in your Audi and turn your key to the ignition on setting. This will allow your power mirror switch on your driver's side door to function properly. Next, you're going to want to turn both mirrors inward, all the way. You can now turn your ignition off for the time being and leave your key in the car because we're not going to need the battery on for the next few steps. After that, you just want to get your hand in here and pry your mirror out. Should make a weird, gross snapping sound like that. Once your mirror is out, you'll have these two connections here. That's for your heated mirror. You're going to want to pop both those off. Once you get those two red terminals out, you're just going to want to take this black connector here, pull these two tabs outward, and while you're pulling them both outward, you're going to pull that connector out. This should come out with relative ease, so if it doesn't come out easily, you know you did something wrong. Audi's been in the garage so long that spiders built a nest right in the arch there. But we'll leave him alone. We're going to come over to this mirror now, and as I mentioned, you're just going to do the exact same thing. So get your fingers behind here and just pry it out. Not the best sounds, but that's how you do it. Once you've got the mirror glass out, you're going to want to grab your new glass and probably also put on some gloves if you want to avoid smudging your mirror. Once you get those connections back on, there's going to be a little black plastic pillar right around here on the low side, the shorter side of the mirror. And then in the inside of the mirror housing, there's going to be a little channel. You're just going to want to line that up. Once that slides in, you just push the mirror in until you hear it snap in. And as you can see, it's, moves around a little bit, but it's nice and in there. I'll get a better view of the pillar and channel on the other mirror. And there's that black pillar that I was talking about. So when you put this in, that black pillar goes right into this piece right here. I'll draw an arrow on the screen. And it acts sort of as a channel. So you just want to line that up first and then push the rest in. All right, guys, so this is the mirror with the channel in. As you can see, it's all the way in. You can still see the electrical connections, but now to get it all the way in, you're just going to want to kind of push, try to do it evenly from the center because that's where the mounting plate is. And you're just going to want to kind of snap that in like so. And now you have a new mirror. All right, guys, if this video was helpful, drop a like and subscribe, especially if you're into B7 A4 content. My channel is focusing primarily on modification and repair for the B7 A4 platform. I plan on being a one-stop shop for basically anybody that's into this car. Cheers.